Okay, and well, okay, now it's good. Well, okay, so today we're going to talk about learning. So tell me the methods, of course, of learning. So, uh, would you prefer to stay home and learn online or no? Go and have some actually in-person classes. So which one can be your choice and why?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Uh, Now I prefer to learn online, but actually, I think it's better if uh, if I can learn by person, by person,
in person.
in person. Yes, in
Yeah,
person. Yeah.
of course. So,
No.
of course,
Hmm.
yeah. And tell me, nowadays there are lots of actually websites that people can actually sign up for learning and, different courses, and you can buy the course. So, I want to know if you think this maybe website, these methods, maybe technology can actually help us improve our maybe skills, or it's a good way to improve our skills. Or no, you think something like traditional methods are better.
Hmm. Yes, I think there are many site, many online program and help us to improve some skills.
Yeah, of
But
course.
also depends on it also depends on the way you learn,
Yeah,
the
of
way you
course.
sorry, yeah.
Yeah, of course. So I myself uh would prefer to stay home. And, I don't know, having some online courses, I think is more comfortable. And I don't know, you feel like, okay, you are at home and you can learn something, so you feel more comfortable. And I think it's the easier way to learn, especially when it comes to different language, a second language. So I think it's a good way. But some people think that no, especially I'm talking about children. They think that okay, so it's better to go to the place and sit actually in the class and study printed books. So some traditional methods, okay? So which one can be more maybe effectful?
Factual.
Yeah,
Hmm.
maybe
Of course,
advantages, effectful.
I think the traditional way is better. Is better, I think. But
Yeah,
we don't have time. We don't have time, and I can't go to other country to
yeah,
learn person, right? So
of course.
online is a
Yeah,
is a is also a good way. But I think I'll say if you meet uh some people, someone in person, so it's more uh motivated to learn.
yeah,
And
motivating, of course. It's
yeah,
motivating, so
yeah,
it makes you
yeah,
motivated. Of course,
yeah,
I do agree with you. So maybe being in the situation with people, actually communicating with people, so maybe can be more effectful, of course, as you said, if we have time. So, but
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
of course. Well, and how often, so I want to know, tell me, how often do you study at home? I'm not talking about our classes, except for our classes, how often you study at home. So every day, once a week. So how much time to spend on learning, except for our classes?
Several class. You're talking for foreign language, right?
Yeah, of course.
Ah, sorry, no,
Zero.
zero.
Zero. So, that's good. That was really good answer. Yeah, being honest is important. The first lesson of life, be honest. So that's great. Yeah, of course. I know. And the most of, especially, when we talk
Yes,
about,
you know.
yeah, adults,
Um,
you know, like,
actually,
yeah,
yeah, actually, when I started to learn this, to apply this
yeah,
course, I
yeah,
thought
yeah,
how say, I want to, improve my communication skill
of course,
and
speaking skills
yes,
and yeah, of course,
speaking
communication
skill
skill.
and
Yeah, of course.
maybe I have many new vocabulary,
Yeah, of
so
course.
I have to confirm the meaning, but I didn't, I couldn't, didn't,
Yeah.
uh,
Ah, of
yes,
course.
I
Of course.
didn't, yeah, check it
So,
all. So
yeah, and I think so.
I
Let's
think
talk
so.
about, yeah,
It's easier when,
yeah, of course.
yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
of
I,
course.
mm, many things to, many things to do, to think about. So
Yeah, of
yeah.
course. Yeah, of course.
Mm.
So, nowadays, uh, learning about internet, computer, and second language. I don't say English because, I don't know, it's not because this is, I don't know, my mother tongue, so I say English. No, second language is can be,
Yeah.
these maybe actually fields can be the most important fields that everyone should study and learn.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I want to know your opinion about it. So what do you think, which one is, so because we need it, I think we need, especially, so yeah, we need English because the word actually is going to, something like units, a common language, a unit language, international one, so that everyone
Yeah.
can talk, can speak, can communicate with others. So I want to know your opinion. Do you think it's really essential to learn a second language?
Yes, I think so. Yes,
Yeah,
I think. You know, uh, let's say, uh, for example, for Vietnamese, you know, for several, maybe 20 years ago, it was very difficult to go outside of Vietnam.
abroad.
And but now, go abroad. It was really difficult to go abroad. But now it's really easy.
Of
If you have,
course.
you just buy a ticket and you can can go. And
Yeah,
there are many, people go abroad for working, for studying, for many years.
of
And
course.
it's really easy to go outside now. So you need to
Of
mm,
course.
it's important to
Yeah,
learn
of
more
course.
more uh, foreign language to communicate.
Of course. Very good.
Yes,
Great. Well, and the first word of this lesson, proactive, proactive.
proactive,
The prefix,
proactive. Yes,
pro means before, proactive. So it
proactive.
means if you are proactive, you make things happen instead of waiting for them to happen to you. So you make something happen and you don't wait
Yeah,
for them to happen to you.
yes,
So active means doing something. Prefix pro means before. So if you are proactive, you are ready before something happens. Proactive, ready before something happens.
Proactive. Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, one of the perks of online learning is that I can be proactive in making my own learning schedule. I can do it. I'm ready before something, before learning, okay, before making, before doing. So,
Yeah.
yeah, let me write it here. When we say proactive, it means to make things happen instead of waiting for them to happen. Okay. Well, so this is, or it means, as I told you, ready, to be ready before something happen.
Yeah.
To be ready before something happens. This is pro. So we have some suffixes. Suffix
Okay.
means a part of word, prefix and suffix, okay? And the prefix means a part of word that we add to the beginning of another word to make something else another word. And suffix, a part of word that we add to the end of other, actually, another word in order to make a new one. So here we have prefix pro. Pro means before. So proactive, before doing something, and active mean doing. Well,
Yes.
okay. And approach. So this word has different meanings, but here it means way or method. So here means way or method. So as you can see, since our life is getting much busier, a lot of people find the traditional approach, method, or way to learning English ineffective. So it's something like it's not effective anymore, as you said, because we are busy, so we don't have enough time to spend on learning, going, and something like, so it's better to stay home and study.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and this one, priority. This is a noun.
Okay.
Priority
Yeah.
means very important. So, something that is very important and must be dealt with before other things. So this is your first, the first thing that you need to deal with, because it's
Yeah.
more important than the other. So we can say as very important.
Yeah.
So, yeah, in order to improve my speaking skill, pronunciation is my main priority now. Really? I think it's not. I think we
Yeah.
have other
Yeah.
priorities. Yeah, to speak, of course, to speak fluently. Pronunciation, of course, but I think this is a second level, not the first one.
Yeah.
So, okay, and so before we keep going, let's make some sentences using this word, some adjective or noun. For example,
Proactive.
yeah, proactive. Make an example.
Proactive. Hmm, hmm, Proactive. Proactive. Proactive.
Let me give you an example, then you
Hmm.
can use it. Okay, so for example,
Yeah.
the government should take a proactive approach to fight crime by hiring more police officers. So the government, maybe the city, the local authority should take a proactive approach to fight crime by
Hmm.
hiring more police officers. So you can say something about your company.
Yeah. Hmm. Um. Hmm. Okay. The director was uh proactive in negotiation with customer to prevent the
Yeah,
to prevent
yeah,
also, to prevent the delivery short.
yeah, of course. Very
Mm.
good. Yeah, of course, very good. And let me write two words here. That's good. Good answer. So let me write two adjectives. The first one, proactive and reactive. So
Yeah, proactive.
reactive and
Yeah.
proactive. So as we discussed, proactive, more energetic, to be ready and actually to set goals, to take action, actually, and something this is proactive. And reactive is something like actually different, maybe opposite. Okay, so we have another one that is reactive, that maybe can be considered as actually, of course, again, be ready to react. Okay, so, but it's a bit, a bit different, not opposite. So when we say to be reactive, again, it means to be ready to react or respond to something. But here, when we say it's something, when I say opposite, it means when you are proactive, before something happens, you're ready. When you are reactive, something happened and you're ready to react,
You
to
ready?
respond. So this is the
Okay.
definition of opposite,
Okay.
not the meaning. Both means ready, but one before happening, the second one after
Yeah.
happening. So let me write reactive here. So to be ready to react or
React.
respond to something. So something happened and now it's time to think, to be actually smart, to make a right decision, to react. So this is reactive. Okay.
Okay.
Which one is
Okay.
better? Being reactive or being proactive? Which one is better?
Yes, of course. Proactive.
Of course.
Proactive.
Of course.
Uh,
Yeah, very good. Well, and now approach. Okay, let's make an example. I have a different approach
Ah,
to study,
ah,
for example.
approach. Mm, mm, okay. Because it was a difficult issue, so I got advice from the director
How to
how to
approach.
approach it.
No,
Yeah,
approach is a noun. So how to maybe take
how
a new approach because
how
yeah,
to take
yeah, of course. How to approach,
how to
approach
take
is noun.
approach.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Noun. Yeah,
So
yeah, okay.
you can use the verb, for example, adopt or take
Adopt,
or have
take.
for approach. So all of them are right. So you can use all of them with approach. If you are using a noun, you need a verb. Here we need, for example, we take a
Yeah,
new approach, or we have a different approach, or we adopt actually a new approach.
adopt.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
And priority. What is your priority in life?
Hmm. Pre- mm, mm. Um,
What
mm,
is your priority in
um,
life?
my life. Mm, priority. Okay. Um, okay. Um, safety is the first priority in my company.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and here, a variety of. Okay, so
Priority.
yeah, actually, variety means of something, means a collection of something, a group of something, and is something like different alternatives means a number of different kinds of something or example of something. So when we say variety, we mean different kinds or alternatives. So, for example, the course offered me a variety of English lessons, different English lessons from beginner level to advanced. So different alternatives. So
Yeah.
a number of different kinds, for example, of the same thing can be variety of something normally,
Yeah.
it's followed by a noun or something like this. So a variety of something. And we normally
Yeah.
use it for the same things. For example, a variety of English lessons. So it's something like this. So we normally use it for the same thing. For example, when you go to a local restaurant, you can actually try variety of delicious cuisines and food. So something like the same thing, but variety of different kind of it. And variety of English accents. Yeah, of course. There are
Course. Yeah.
varieties, yeah, of course, English accents. And internet access. So, of course, when we get access to the internet or to something, it means we are able to use or obtain something. So,
Yeah.
get access means to be able to use. Okay, to be able, for example, we normally have an access, for example, or we get an access. So we get an internet access or we have an internet access. And now let's make two other examples using a variety of and get access.
Yes. 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 Can get access of.
And the best, yeah, of course. So first of all, variety of, and I think the better verb because we have get, but gain is really
Mm.
good verb for access. So gain access is
Gain.
really good. Yeah, of course. So
Yeah. Gain. Okay.
gain access or get access.
Gain access. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm. Access. Mm.
For example, a
Okay.
thief.
For example, yeah.
Yeah, a
Okay.
thief.
In
Yeah. Do you want me to make an example to help you?
mm. Okay. Okay. And I try. Uh,
Okay.
there are a variety. There there is a variety of food in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah. So,
Uh, so that you are
yeah.
um, mm, so that you can find uh, that you can find uh, your favorite your favorite food
Yeah.
your
Yeah, of
favorite
course.
food easily. Yeah.
So for example, yeah, of course. And so this city has a variety of cuisines and foods. So
Very
has a variety of
good in
something,
food.
yeah, of course. So for example, when you go to this restaurant, they offer a variety of foods. So you can say something like this. Okay,
Yeah.
and because when we say there is
And
variety of something, when we
that's
normally make it plural, variety of books, variety of
yeah.
ways, variety of things. So plural, there is not really appropriate one. So we say, okay, there are, or it's better to use the all the verbs.
Mm. Yes.
So there are variety of foods in Ho Chi Minh
Uh,
City, and
uh, in a chemistry. And mm, there are varieties of food in Ho Chi Minh City. And mm,
yeah. So just let me write the singular, and so we have variety.
uh,
So when you make it plural, so it's better to say
yeah,
varieties. Okay, there
also,
are. Well, and the next one, gain access or get access to something.
yeah,
Normally you use it for a computer, for example, to open a file, to, for example, a website and something like this. For example, some thieves can gain access to
yeah,
our credit cards
again,
so that they steal money.
yeah.
So
Mm. Um, okay. Mm, okay. Um, even though Ho Chi Minh City is not developing in public transportation, but uh, you are you can get access to easily because let's say because no, but by using Grab by using by Grab taxi,
yeah.
you can get access to everywhere easily.
Yeah, okay,
Mm.
to each place. So very good. Just here you use discourse marker, even though at the beginning of your sentence you don't need to use but again, because actually you made your contrast at the beginning of your sentence. So again, using but again is not actually a good choice, because we also,
Yes,
we have even though, so we don't need to say but, even though it's
yeah.
not developed.
Even though
Developed, this
not
city is not
developed,
developed.
yes,
Sophisticated, developed.
developed.
Okay, of course we can get access to different places easily,
Can
so
access
very good. Yeah.
easily. Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
okay, so as you can see, we discussed these words. So do you have any questions related to these words?
Okay. Now understand and
Okay,
understand the
well, very
meaning.
good. So old school. Yeah. I think the teaching style of my son's teacher is a kind of old school. She does all the talking, and what my son does is only listening and taking notes. So old
Taking
school,
notes. Yeah.
something close to old fashioned. It's something
Yeah.
like it's not
Old
really
fashioned.
modern method. Yeah, of course, it's something older school. So maybe very old fashioned, something that is not usable anymore. So this is old fashioned. So
Yeah.
something close to old or old fashioned is older school. So nowadays, especially about methods, they follow
Yeah.
some teachers especially, actually, they are kind of old schools. It means they follow some old methods. So
Yeah.
the teaching style is kind of